How's it going, YouTube? Got the 8E back out. Unfortunately, I don't got no 6S packs right now, so I'm on 4S, and I did gear up to a 22 pinion. Also went ahead and put 100K Diff fluid in the center and 60 up front, stop the ballooning, and we're gonna test it out now. Let me see how we go. Still got the stock servo, stock motor. We'll crack that onboard on. Definitely help with that ballooning. It's that 22 for y'all on 4S. Oh, I know the mount ain't break off because it's double tape, and I just bought a new GoPro mount for both of my GoPros. Hopefully she just stick back on. The first time I see her flip though. GoPro ain't holding up. Might have to change that. I'll probably put some tape on it. Alright y'all, we tape that sucker down. About to see how it hold up. I think I know why it's flipping though, it's top heavy. Spitting with that 22 though. See what this low jump about. Ooh, nice and smooth. First jump. Oh. That got ugly on me real quick. Child, let's take it on a big jump, see what it's got. I ain't gonna get crazy, we're just gonna make sure she's sailing nice though. Jumping smooth, I like that. Okay. Okay. You're gonna look good on the onboard. Ah, I gotta take this truck off road, or this buggy off road. Ah, there go that GoPro. Took the GoPro off, so that was throwing the balance off. Sound like something ain't right. I see what it is. Always get something stuck out here. Sorry about that, guys. The sun is in my eye. Might have to change positions today. Jumping nice and smooth. That is much better now. Buggy is down there. Yeah. Damn, this buggy jump nice. I like it this rig. 8E, baby. Ooh. 8E. I ain't touched the red Diff yet, but I think I'm gonna have to. Another tree branch in there. It be wobbling in the air. I think that's because the tires ain't balanced. Oh, that was a rough one, huh? I'm liking this new remote, man. As soon as I touch it, it turns. That's what I like. All right. Oh yeah, I definitely want to get this buggy on the track. Oh, that was all my fault right there. All mine. Too busy talking. As I was saying, I definitely want to get this thing on the track. Oh. That's all my fault right there. Gotta learn it though. Plus I don't got the one single pack in here, I got two S's, so it's making it a little bit heavier, that's for sure. popping up though. See if we get a little nice one coming around that bend right there. Yeah, that was full right there. Pull a front. See what that front. Had to come out of that. That wasn't looking right. I think I'm gonna need more air. Ooh. See what we do. Oh. Oh, that thing take a hit. Oh, I got something lift up in the front. What's that? What I broke? What I broke? Oh, I broke a shock shaft. And I lost my spring. Let's see if we can find it. I don't think I broke the shock shaft. It might have popped out. We'll see. All right, YouTube, we back. So I found everything. I went ahead and put it back together. So what I did now was, it was on the inner side when I had it for racing on the on-road. So I put, it was on the outer side. I went ahead and put it on the inner side. Give it more height. Also did it in the rear. Give it more height. So we're gonna go ahead and jump it now and see what it do. All right, y'all, sorry about the wind. I know that shock, ball end ain't gonna hold up too long, but we're gonna still go at it. I want to see how she jumping now with that adjustment I just did. Smooth. Nice little bounce now. Airport right there. That's why that plane's so low. I wouldn't mind getting some cones set up out here, getting a little track in. See how we rip with them shocks up now. This car took a beating today. I am going to look for some other tires. Nothing wrong with these, but just want some different tires. might take this motor out and put a 2000 or 2200 kV just to see the difference. Want to see if it gives it more torque, pop wheelies more. Definitely got a lot of speed now though, especially for 4S, more than plenty. Stand in that mud. Clean my sneaker before I get back in my car. Oh. Might go with 200K, see if it make any difference. With the wheelie in there, at least. Front ain't ballooning no more though. Still getting used to it. Alright, we're a low voltage cutoff, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy. Sure was a blast driving this rig, especially off-road. I think I had more fun with this rig. Nah, I ain't even gonna say that because I did have some good times with it on-road, but it's definitely meant to handle off-road, so I'm happy I got a chance to get it out here and rip it up. Definitely need some better tires. At least I think so. Maybe that'll give me more grip to wheelie, because any basher that I own, I needed the wheelie. I don't care. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in, man. It was a good run with the Losi 8ight-E. Definitely is a beast. Probably do some more tuning to it. Definitely want to run it with one battery just to see if it jumps more level. Or maybe it's the tires. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. Still was a good run.